strengthening to integrate the energies of the Wheel of Fortune, the 10th Tarot Arcanum. This empowerment blends the energy of change, fortune, and personal power. Let's embrace each life turn with joy, gratitude, and enthusiasm, encompassing physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and collective aspects. This strengthening nurtures abundance and power in your core foundations. Listen to this empowerment for 7 days before moving to the next arcanum. We fortify the central nervous system to radiate strength, vitality, and motion. I empower your body to embrace change as renewal, vitality, and flexibility. We boost strength so each particle, atom, cell feels powerful and adaptable. Strong openness and integration to experience health and movement freely. I strengthen the mind to think with clarity, focus, and wisdom. I strengthen the mind to see each change as a chance for growth and strength. I align the mind to clearly receive each choice life offers, activating inner wisdom. I strengthen joy, gratitude, and peace. Your emotions, sensations, and reactions are strong. We erase distorted, manipulated, and exaggerated emotions. I connect you with the emotional power of the Wheel of Fortune. I empower you to welcome changes joyfully, with gratitude and deep peace. Let's activate enthusiasm and gratitude. Feeling each turn brings wonder. I strengthen purpose, synchronicity, and connection, empowering your actions, decisions, and results with higher meaning. I boost your spirit to connect with each change's highest purpose and divine timing. Empowering you to connect with the universe's natural flow, strengthening your alignment with life cycles, embracing each experience faithfully. I reinforce the triad, harmony, abundance, and community, empowering you amidst change, opening paths to shared abundance and prosperity. I activate the energy of collaboration and shared fortune, connecting you to a rich, generous, and ever-expanding life experience. With each breath, I amplify your sense of power, fortune, and joy, empowering you to live a great day and a great life, strong to connect with the Ferris wheel's continuous motion, strong to see each turn as a chance for more joy and awareness, strong to embrace life cycles with gratitude and purpose. I feel in sync with a future full of amazing possibilities, strong to be present in this moment. I strengthen you to be fully here and now, strong to let go of fear and resistance to change, strong to open up to life's offerings, strong breaths to deepen your connection, With your personal power and the universe's infinite flow, I strengthen your resilience, renewal, and adaptability. Fortify your body as the vehicle driving you to fortune. I release tension that hinders your light, flexible movement. I remove doubts and limiting beliefs that make you fear change. I boost your expansive mindset to find solutions in any situation. Strengthen to eliminate wear, fatigue, and limiting feelings. I enhance your adaptability, making your body an ally. Empower your breath to fill your being with vitality. Strengthen to move gracefully towards a better future. Empower your vision of a bright future from your inner strength. Strong enough to make your mind a trusted ally, propelling you forward with confidence. Strong enough to deeply feel the joy of being alive and part of life's flow. Let's eliminate fear of failure, insecurity, and all stagnating emotions holding you back. I strengthen your ability to feel grateful for what you have. Strong enough to feel excited for the future, trusting each experience has purpose. Strong to feel your heart fill with warmth, joy, and peace, inspiring daily positivity. I connect you with the universe's infinite energy, strong enough to guide each turn of the wheel of fortune, strong enough to release any disconnection or perception of chaos. I reinforce trust that every change serves a higher purpose, strong enough to align with the universe's natural flow. Trust that you're exactly where you need to be. I strengthen the synchronicity in your life. Open your spirit to signs, opportunities, and magical moments approaching. Let's boost harmony, collaboration, and abundance. Release any energy of isolation, separation, or competition. Increase your ability to share fortune with others. Create a flow of collective abundance. Align with a community where all grow, thrive, and support each other. Activate unity and shared fortune, joyfully contributing to all. Align body, mind, and spirit with the wheel of fortune. Let's strengthen all connections. Up, down, up, left, right, left, in, out, in, and back, forth. Let's reinforce internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and the vertices of all geometric shapes used in this process. At 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? The same or different?